Choosing the right windows for your home is about more than just looks, it's about functionality, comfort, and how well they fit your lifestyle. For homeowners in Austin, where scenic views and natural light are highly valued, picture windows can be an excellent choice when used in the right spaces. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that do not open. Their primary purpose is to provide unobstructed views and allow maximum natural light into your home. While they may not offer ventilation, they make up for it with their ability to create bright, open, and visually stunning living spaces. One of the best times to choose picture windows is when you want to highlight a beautiful outdoor view. Austin is known for its unique landscapes, from tree-lined neighborhoods to skyline views. Picture windows frame these scenes like artwork, turning your surroundings into a focal point inside your home. Whether it's a backyard garden or a scenic overlook, these windows help you stay connected to the outdoors. Natural light is another major reason homeowners opt for picture windows. Their large glass surface allows sunlight to flood into your home, making rooms feel bigger, brighter, and more inviting. In Austin, where sunny days are plentiful, this added light can transform your living space and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Picture windows are also a great choice when energy efficiency is a priority. Because they are fixed and don't open, they have fewer moving parts and tighter seals compared to operable windows. This reduces the chances of air leaks, helping your home maintain a consistent indoor temperature. In Austin's hot summers, this can mean less strain on your air conditioning system and potential savings on energy bills. Another situation where picture windows shine is in rooms where ventilation isn't essential. Spaces like living rooms, dining areas, stairwells, or hallways can benefit from the added light and view without needing an opening window. In areas where airflow is still important, picture windows can be paired with operable windows nearby to create a balanced solution. Aesthetically, picture windows offer a clean and modern look. Their uninterrupted glass design provides a sleek appearance that complements a wide range of home styles. Whether your Austin home has a contemporary design or a more traditional feel, picture windows can enhance its overall look while keeping the focus on the view outside. Low maintenance is another advantage that appeals to many homeowners. Since picture windows don't have hinges, tracks, or moving parts, there's less that can wear out over time. This makes them easier to care for and helps ensure long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Noise reduction is an added benefit, especially in busier areas of Austin. The fixed design and tight seal help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This can make a noticeable difference in comfort, particularly if your home is near traffic or active neighborhoods. Security is also enhanced with picture windows. Because they don't open, they are more difficult for intruders to access compared to operable windows. This added layer of protection can give homeowners extra peace of mind without sacrificing style or natural light. Of course, it's important to consider placement carefully. Since picture windows don't open, they may not be ideal for every room. However, when used strategically, they can elevate your home's design and functionality in ways that other window styles cannot. For homeowners in Austin, picture windows are the right choice when you want to maximize views, increase natural light, and improve energy efficiency. They offer a simple yet powerful way to enhance your living space while creating a strong visual connection to the outdoors. If you're looking to make a statement with your windows while enjoying long-term benefits, picture windows are a smart and stylish solution.